Now I am going to take English for you. Okay, children. So this is revision lesson number 1. Okay, children. I think you have already written the classwork. You have completed the classwork of first lesson. So if you have not completed the first lesson, so please see this video and complete the classwork. Okay, children. So this is first lesson. Health is happiness. So this is revision for you. Okay, children. First main hard words. First one, Manoj. M-A-N-O-J. Manoj. Second one, returned. R-E-T-U-R-N-E-D. Returned. Third one, home. H-O-M-E. Home. Fourth one, sadly. S-A-D-L-Y. Sadly. Fifth one, school. S-C-H-O-O-L. School. Sixth one, F-R-I-E-N-D. Friend. Seventh one, Ankita. A-N-K-I-T-H-A. Ankita. Eighth one, exercising. E-X-E-R-C-I-S-I-N-G. Exercising. Ninth one, getting. G-E-T-T-I-N-G. Getting. Tenth one, enough. E-N-O-U-G-H. Enough. 11th one, playing. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. 12th one, health. H-E-A-L-T-H. Health. 13th one, includes. I-N-C-L-U-D-E-S. Includes. 14th one, junk. J-U-N-K. Junk. 15th one, vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Vegetables. So these are the hard words, children. Once again I am going to repeat. First one, Manoj. Second one, returned. Third one, home. Fourth one, sadly. Fifth one, school. Sixth one, friend. Seventh one, Ankita. Eighth one, exercising. Ninth one, getting. 10th one, enough. 11th one, playing. 12th one, health. 13th one, includes. 14th one, junk. 15th one, vegetables. Okay, children. Now, second main. Answer the following. First one, name the 3 things which are good for our health. Answer, food, exercising, sleep. F-O-O-D, food. E-X-E-R-E-C-I-S-I-N-G, exercising. S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Food, exercising and sleep. So these are the 3 things which are good for our health. Second one, what does healthy food include? Answer, healthy food includes fresh fruits and vegetables. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. F-O-O-D, food. I-N-C-L-U-D-E-S, includes. F-R-E-S-H, fresh. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. A-N-D, and. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S, vegetables. Third one, which is a good form of exercising as mentioned in the lesson? Answer, playing and yoga. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G, playing. A-N-D, and Y-O-G-A, yoga. So these are the question answers. Once again I am going to repeat the question answers. First one, name the 3 things which are good for our health. Answer, food, exercising, sleep. Second one, what does healthy food includes? Answer, healthy food includes fresh fruits and vegetables. Third one, which is a good form of exercise as mentioned in the lesson? Answer, playing and yoga. Now, next main, circle the word that does not belong to the group. So, they are given a 4 option. In that one option does not belong to that group. So, you must circle that one. First one, pencil, pen, paper. So, pencil, pen, ball, paper. So, pencil we will write, pen we will write. So, paper, in the paper we will write with pen and pencil. But ball, it is a playing thing. So, I must circle for ball. Second one, flower, nose, hand, leg. So, nose, hand, leg are in our body parts. So, flower, it is not in our body parts. So, you must circle for a flower. Third one, carrot, potato, tomato, ice cream. So, this carrot, potato, tomato are vegetables. But ice cream is a junk food. No children? So, ice cream is separate. So, you put circle for ice cream. Next, fourth one, soap, paste, shampoo, spoon. So, soap we will use for washing our face and washing the clothes. Paste, we will brush our teeth with paste. Shampoo, we will bath with shampoo for head. But spoon, we will eat with the spoon. No children? So, spoon is separate. So, you must circle for the spoon. Next, chess, ludo, carom, cricket. So, this chess, ludo, carom are indoor game. But cricket, it is an outdoor game. So, we will play outside. We can't play inside the house cricket. But this chess, ludo, carom, we can play inside the house. So, you must circle for cricket. Next main, complete the following sentence choosing the right word from the bracket. First one, Manoj returned home dash. So in the bracket they are given proudly, sadly. So in the dash you write sadly. SADLY, sadly. Second one, our health is dash. In the bracket they are given costly, precious. So you write in the dash precious. PRECIOUS, precious. Our health is precious. Third one, healthy food doesn't include dash food. So in the bracket they given junk, clean. So healthy food, what it includes? It includes clean food. So it does not include junk food. So in the dash you write junk. JUNK, junk. Fourth one, we get exercise from dash. In the bracket they given playing, eating. So by eating we can't get exercise. So only by playing we get exercise. So you write in the dash playing, PLAYING, playing. Okay, children? So these are the fill in the blanks. Next main, make new word by adding one word. First one, bath. So the answer is tub. Bath, tub. BATHTUB, bath, tub. Second one, tooth, brush. TOOTHBRUSH, tooth, brush. Third one, foot, path. FOOT, foot. PATH, path. Next one, pop, corn. POPCORN, pop, corn. Next, door, bell. DOOR, door. BELL, bell, doorbell. Next one, nail cutter. Nailcutter, nail cutter. Seventh one, ice cream, Ice cream, cream, ice cream. Okay, children. So these are the new word by adding one word. So first one is bathtub, second one is toothbrush, third one is footpath, fourth one is popcorn, fifth one is doorbell, sixth one is nail cutter, seventh one is ice cream. Okay, children? Any doubt, children? This is revision for you. Okay, children? I think you could have understood this lesson, this revision. So once again, I am saying for you that if you have not completed the classwork, you see this video and complete the classwork. And if you have already completed the classwork, practice in the rough note. Okay, children? Thank you.